Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change Lyft's profile picture. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Lyft's application on my phone and this is how it will look like once you open the app. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find rides and also trips if you want to schedule a ride. So I'm gonna go back right here in the top left corner. You're gonna find this icon. If you click on it, right here, you're gonna find a lot of options. And in the top, you're gonna find your profile. You can view your profile by clicking view profile. And then from here, you can also view your profile as a driver. And if you scroll down right here, you're gonna find your account settings. Under it, you're gonna find your informations, business profile, if you want to set up a business profile, family, my riders, and lastly, linked accounts. So, in order to change your profile picture, go ahead and click on your infos. From here, you can change your email or your phone, or you can also add payment method. And if you go back right here in the top right corner, you're gonna find this pen icon. If you click on it, from here, you're gonna find your profile photo, your name, gender, and pronouns. So if you click on add photo, from here you're gonna have two options. You can either take a photo or choose from your library. If you want to also change your name, you can change it from here. You can also select your gender. For example, I'm gonna select man, click on save, submit, and then you're done. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.